Student, today we'll discuss with the first unit, that is management of a cooperative society. Under that, we will going to see meaning of management. What do you mean by management? Management is the process of decision making and control over the action of human being for purpose of achieving goals. Now, management is called as process. Process refers to series of steps or functions necessary to get things done. Management is the process because it performs series of functions. And I hope you all know there are 5 functions of management. So we are not going detail into it. So let's continue with the meaning. Management is a process of decision making and control over the action of human being for the purpose of achieving goals. Now, decision making is a primary function of management. So, a decision is a course of action chosen from a set of alternatives to achieve organizational or managerial objectives. Decisions are made at every level of management, and as you all know, there are 3 levels of management: top level, middle level and lower level. Now, to ensure that organizational goals are achieved, decision making is a key part of manager's activity. So, it is rightly said that first important function of management is to take decision on problems and situations. Therefore, decisions are made to achieve goals through suitable follow-up action. Next, we can see in the meaning purpose of achieving goals. Achieving goals meaning now it is also called as target, objectives or aims. So achievement of goals is very important not only in the organizational point of view but every human being's life. So we can sum up, management is a process of decision making and control over the action of human being for the purpose of achieving goals. Moving on to next meaning, I have given 3 meanings of management here. Whichever you feel interesting, you all can study. Okay, so second meaning we'll see, given by Sir Charles Renaud. He says, management is the process of getting things done through agency of community. Now, as per Sir Charles Renaud, management is a process, again, series of steps, okay, which or functions necessary to get things done through agency of community. Okay, it is also called as getting things done through the subordinates. Now, there are in the management 3 levels, as I said. There are superior and subordinate. So, superior are getting things done through the subordinates. Now, the management synchronizes the people working through others to achieve organizational goals. To assign the duty to the subordinate to carry out the operations from top level to lower level organization, so that the things can be done through the agency of community. And right decision must be taken by the manager at the right time. Moving on to the third meaning given by Peter Drucker. He says management is a multi-purpose organ. Okay, he compared management as a multi-purpose organ. Okay, that manages a business and manages managers and worker and work. Drucker stresses 3 jobs of management, that is managing business, manager, workers and work. Even one is omitted, we would not have management anymore. So according to Peter Drucker, the manager has to balance 3 major functions of the organization. Hence, a manager is a dynamic and life-giving element in every organization. Without efficient management, we cannot secure best allocation and utilization of human, material and financial resources. So these are the 3 simplest meaning of management. You all can study any one meaning whichever you all find interesting. But it is better to know all the 3 meanings.